Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to draw pen head rivet. Now see this, we have front view, top view. So we need to draw front view, top view of a pen head. So first we will draw a block. In the sense, we'll find out all the dimensions. So let's take D equals to 20. 1 second, this height is 0.7 D. So we'll take D, 0.7 D and 1.6 D. We'll find out all this value. Let's say D equals to 20, so 0.7 D is 14 and 1.6 D is 32. It is always advisable to start with circular view. So we'll start with top view first. So I know the bigger diameter is 32, so I can take 16, 16 and I can draw a circle. So we'll draw two circles. One is diameter 32 and another one is diameter 20. Then we'll take all these lines vertical. Remember, try and draw it in one stroke. This is 0.7 D, so I will take 14. And this will be like this. So this is how we will draw pen head rivet, front view, top view. Then you can do dimensioning. So I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.